Hey, so if you want to print Google Slides properly in 2026 without wasting paper or missing important content, this guide will walk you through step by step so your slides look professional. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. Log in using your Google account email and password. Once you're inside your presentation, you'll see all your slides in the editor view. Before printing, review your slides, check for formatting, text alignment, and images. Make sure no content is cut off and that all slides are in the correct order. Adjust the slide size or orientation if needed, especially for landscape or portrait printing. Next, go to File in the top left menu and select Print Settings and Preview. Here, you can choose how your slides will appear on paper. You can select one slide per page for full-size slides or multiple slides per page if you want handouts. You can also choose to include notes if your slides have speaker notes. Check the orientation and paper size. Landscape is usually best for slides, but portrait works if your presentation is designed vertically. Also, adjust the scaling so all content fits neatly on the page without cutting off any text or images. Once settings are correct, click Print. In the Print dialog, select your printer, number of copies, and any additional options like double-sided printing to save paper. Preview one last time before confirming to avoid errors. If you're printing for distribution, consider saving your slides as a PDF first. Go to File, Download, PDF Document. This ensures formatting stays consistent and prevents layout shifts across different printers. And that's basically it. By checking formatting, adjusting print settings, choosing the right orientation, and previewing before printing, your Google Slides will come out looking professional every time. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it with anyone making presentations, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take care.